Welcome to day number 4 of the 14-day Passive Income Challenge. My name is Chaim Ekstein. I'm super excited to have you with me today, where we're going to discuss the first element in the leverage part of the ALM model: attract, leverage, manage. And we're going to discuss about liquidity and the concept called velocity of money. Come with me and let's have fun. Velocity of money multiplier is a concept that, if you understand how this works, it's a game changer. It's something that can help you tremendously. It's basically the idea of having your money work for you again and again and again and again, not only once. I'm sure you all heard of the concept high risk, high reward, low risk, low reward, which basically means if you want to accomplish high returns on your money, it usually comes together with the price of taking high risk. If you are only willing to accept low risk on your money, it usually comes on the price of giving up on the rewards that's possible. So when I tell you that I invest my money and I earn 20% return, immediately in your brain you calculate it probably means that you take a risk associated with a 20% rate of return. If I tell you that I invest my money and I earn a 5% return, in your mind you're probably calculating immediately that I probably take a risk that involves taking a risk associated with the 5% return. And you might be right, but the only thing that could be that you're not getting is that there's a concept called velocity of money. And that basically means that I can take a lower risk on my money if I can have that money work again and again and again and again. And I'll give you an example. Let's say person A is investing his money on a 20% rate of return. So that means his risk is also on a scale that should come for somebody earning 20% on his money. Person B, on the other side, is earning only 5% on his money. But he has a mechanism how the 5% vehicle should let him take out the money again and invest it again in another place, earning him 5% on his money, while they're still working for him. And then doing the same thing again, and then again, and then again. So if we do that 4 times, isn't this the same equivalent to a 20% that person A has? It's mamish the same thing. But from the other side, who has more risk? Of course, person A has more risk because he is associated with a 20% return risk, versus person B only associates himself with some risk that's associated to a 5% return. So not only does it give it to you much more stability for your funds, so to speak, but also it allows you to have your money work for you again and again and again. I showed you 4 times, that's 20%, but what about 8 times? What about 15 times? Unlimited. In such a way, you can have more gain, less risk, and much more diversification, which can help you building your passive income life foundation. Thanks for being with me. Looking forward to seeing you throughout the 14-day Passive Income Challenge.